we were informed that by our assets as of prior to the issuance of the warrant of arrest, there are some sightings in Bulacan. However,
Sightings lang.
po.
Kamukha lang niya.
However, when the team went to the possible locations of these sightings, as of now, malalaman po natin na wala naman pong nahuli o nakita pa po. Mr. Chair. Madam Chair.
Kailan niyo mapapangako sa committee ito kung kailan niyo mahuli yan?
We will try our best, Madam Chair, to issue to serve the warrant of arrest soonest, and we will submit a report to this effect.
If you cannot arrest her within a month, baka maapekto ng budget ninyo.
Noted po, Madam Chair.
Hmm?
Yes, sir. We will do our best.
Ganon din sa pulis yan. Pag hindi nyo mahanap within a month yan. Dahil we cannot just keep on waiting here. Mahina yung mga intelligence ninyo pag ganon. Ang dami-daming mga nasa-serve ng warrant of arrest yun. Mabilis mahuli. Bakit ito? Kilala pa, hindi nyo mahuli. You better get your acts together. Kailangan may proper coordination kayo with all our law enforcement agencies. Yun sa amin, on the part of the Senate, yung saan namin, we can just do so much. Hindi naman sila kasing powerful ninyo na lahat na resources nasa inyo. Okay?